Hi, my name is Brian Forrest. I'm the owner of Chosen Wood Window Maintenance, and we're here today to take a look at this 1940s home, vintage windows in this house. And what we're going to do today is we are going to remove these aluminum, well actually on these ones, these are vinyl storm windows. Being in the sun for many years, they get very brittle. And they've done a good job, but what we're going to do today is we're going to remove these, and we are going to make the windows. We'll renovate the old vintage windows and make them energy efficient, functional, and you won't need these storm windows. So at this point, let's get started. Just removing all the storms off of them once and for all. We've got a customer here that wanted to replace his windows, and what we're showing him here is that we don't need to replace the windows. We can take these old vintage single pane windows, bring them up to new standards for windows. What we're going to use is we're going to use a couple of products. One is called Slips, and the Slip is a product that we developed, and it stands for Slimline Insulating Paint. And what that is for is that's for somebody that's like a leaded glass here, or if they've got wavy glass and they want to save it, this is a way for them to keep everything about their old window, but will still make it insulated. The other type of a system that we have is called conversion. And the conversion is where we will take the glass out, we'll route it out deeper, and we'll put an insulated pane of glass into it. Once we finish with this window, it'll be a fraction of the cost of replacing your window. We're going to go ahead and get started, and right now Ryan is going to be our technician who's going to pull this window apart, and he'll just show you step by step how to take a window and make it energy efficient. So first of all, he's going to take off the sash stop. So now what he's going to be doing is he's going to be taking the old aluminum strip out. He's cutting the weights. And he's got the first sash out. Right now he's removing the parting bead in order to pull the top sash out. Now he's ready to pull out the top sash. Got the top sash out. Now he's going to take the sash out to the truck, and all the work is done here. Routed it so the balance system will fit inside of it. Perfect so the weather stripping can go into it. This is a balance. This is what's going to hold your window up and down. The vinyl weather stripping goes inside. Another weather strip that he's going to put in is a bulb weather strip to the top. Now what he's doing is installing the slip over the top of the window. Underneath that slip is a gasket, and it lets just a little bit of air in, just so the window can't fog up. Finishes up these screws, and this sash is ready to go back in. Glass out. We'll reuse this glass. All the vintage glass gets saved, and we use it in other projects. The glass right there that we're putting in on this project here is a piece of Sungate Low E500. This step right here, putting a bed of sealant, and he'll lay his glass inside the wood. He's applying setting blocks right now and keeps everything nice and square. Apply another bead of sealant on the exterior, and now he'll install his glazing bead. He'll nail all the glazing bead in, and this window will be ready to go back in.
What do you put that in there for? It's where I'm hanging the balance on.
Pulls the sash, boards up. He got the first sash and the upper sash, and then replaced the parting bead. Just installed these fuzzy tabs right here, and this kit takes care of right between the check rail with the bottom sash back in. So then he just repeats the process on the bottom sash, pulls the sash boards up, then this. Then what he has left is the two sash stops to go back in. He's finished with this window. And you've got a bottom one that opens very smoothly. The old weather stripping in there is gone, and the weather stripping now, soft weather stripping, and it'll seal everything out. The top one opens up now, open and close. Now you've got a very weather efficient window.
I just realized without that giant plate of vinyl outside with the glass, how much more light it brings in. It's amazing. I'm thrilled. 25 years.